Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I am here with my friend and two spare accounts, Clouds of Color. Say hi, Clouds.
Hello.
Yeah, see, that's her. Okay. So today, in today's video, we will be playing Return of the Phantoms, and yeah. I don't play Return of the Phantoms in so long. How about you? Yeah, and if you're crinkling, that's just my friend eating chips, so. Okay. Oh, and also I'd like to say that I ended my giveaway and that my friends who joined, I'm letting them choose two masterpieces that I did that they would like to choose, because literally no one joined, so I'm just gonna end it, so yeah. Why? What? What?
No, they're actually watching.
Why'd you take off everything else on your wolf?
I didn't.
Yes, you did. It shows on my screen that you did.
I didn't.
Okay, let me check everything. Yes, you did. I put an amulet and a ring on your wolf as well.
Oh my god.
Woman! Okay, let's just get started. Did you know I love bone claws? Because I love bone claws. Make sure to get a cork. Here, wait, come here. I'll let you get this cart.
No, too late now.
Woman.
I'm gonna die again. I always die like that.
I forgot I'm almost level 15 on here. Of course, I'm also laggy, so you know. I need to get beta tails one day.
Oh, I hate you.
I hate you too. Please don't kill me, Mr. Phantom. Oh yeah, I dodged him like a boss. Oh crap. Get the two other corks over there, okay? Okay?
I just died again.
Wow, of course you did. Okay, go get the two other.
I'm trying. I keep dying. These phantoms love me.
That's cool. I'm gonna change my look a bit.
No, you don't. Why? No, I'm frozen. I hate you.
No, I'm gonna do something that's like really weird. Good dress looks. Oh my gosh. The dress looks animal jam. Okay. Don't ask. I'm just trying to make a good. Oh, a headdress on you. Okay. Okay, wait. I mean, I don't have a black log, so. Wait, what am I doing? What? Like a. Why am I even doing this? I don't know. Is that what she did? No? Okay. Is that it? No. What the heck does she use to do that? Did she do that? Yeah, I think she did that. Oh my gosh. What the heck? I make like the worst looks.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do. Don't deny it. I mean, I would do that, but honestly. No! No! Seriously? Oh. I didn't check my accounts. I hate myself.
Oh my gosh.
I know. I'm gonna go with this look. I don't care anymore. Well, actually, yeah, I do care. Okay. Do you have any quotes yet?
I have one and I can't get to the other one.
Wow. Okay, I'm coming to help.
Shoot. No. I give up. Okay, I'm full.
Okay, get these four and then I'll get the key.
I'm so
I am too. Sorry, just moving my accounts.
I should have checked on your other account.
I already did. No, I died. Okay, you gonna go through the gate? What are you doing?
How'd you die?
No, but why aren't you moving?
Sorry, it's laggy, can't you tell?
No, because I can't see your computer.
There you go. Free for use.
I think I see it.
Wait, oh my gosh, stop. Hold on.
What? What?
That's right, I'm checking something really fast. I'm sorry, I have to. Ooh,
Okay, go into the Arctical cave. Come on.
okay. Ugh, I hate this part. Never have luck on my side. What did you get? Ew!
Flower necklace, yeah.
Old hood.
What?
Old hood. Hey!
Oh. Okay, I already got rid of that phantom.
Go. Okay, here it comes.
So you got that key down there? Okay, be careful. Oh. You call me a loser.
No, not you, the phantoms. I didn't die. I didn't die, so. Ready? Let's do this.
Okay, don't pick any chests yet. I'm gonna check them. I'm gonna check them. Okay, pick very last chest. See if it's good.
Last, yeah.
There's nothing good this round. Okay, well guys, that will do for this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Yeah, bye.